How to pin location on WhatsApp. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow to send fixed location using WhatsApp. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up WhatsApp for that. And once we are here, we can go to a specific chat where we want to send the location. So go ahead and open it up. And once opened, we just need to look out for the option called attachment icon. So go ahead and tap on attachment icon or the plus option. And once tapped on it, we can select the option of location from the given menu that appears. After we have selected that option, we can just go over and wait for the map to load up on our current position, the map. And once it is loaded up, we can just go over, and if you want to send up a fixed location, what we need to do is we need to just go over and tap send a nearby location or manually move the application like this. And once it is done, we can drag the map to the exact spot where we want to pin and just go over and do so. After that, we can just go over and pin it out and go ahead and select it. And once selected, we just need to go over and go ahead and send it and tap on send this location, and it will send a fixed pin location, not just your live moment. But if we choose to share our live location, what it does is it will basically update it real time as we move. It is good for safety or tracking whatnot. For fixed pins, you can just go over and also turn on the location option within your quick settings panel. So you can look out for location and go ahead and turn it on, and also give WhatsApp location permission and make sure that your internet is on while you're doing so. And that's it everybody. You can just go and follow this method for now. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.